You know what must be done at the beginning of a video after you do a coffee or tea b-roll is you need to take a sip. It's too hot. That's like a classic content creator move. Anyways, we made it. Happy motherfucking New Year 2021. I just want to send my love to each and every one of you. I know 2020 has been so challenging for many of us, and I just want to send my good energy and my love to you if you really struggled, and I'm so happy that we've all made it to 2021. Rest in peace to all the people who lost their lives last year, and to the families. Sending my love to you guys as well. So I want to fill you guys in on some things that I will be doing this year, and one of the big ones is I'm going to be doing 12 30-day challenges in 12 months, at least one per month. I may do two, so there may be more than 12. I have two in the works right now. Both of them are fitness. One is related, I don't want to give it away too much. One is related to a cardio challenge, outdoor cardio challenge, and the other one is a fitness workout transformation. So those will be coming out, at least one of them will be coming out mid-January, and then I might postpone the other one to come out a few weeks later. I just want to know from my 2020 subscribers, shout out to you guys, what did you guys enjoy in 2020? Did you enjoy the stoicism? Did you enjoy me just talking straight to the camera, or the cinematic intros, the heavier b-roll, the voiceovers? Just to get some feedback. I will be still doing a mixture, but I would love to know. And shout out to you guys for supporting me throughout last year, which is a weird thing to say now that it's 2021. And to my OGs from 2019, when my videos were quite a bit more cringeworthy. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby. Girl, I dream about you all the time. I love all you guys so much, and I truly appreciate the support, and I'm really excited for 2021, and I just want to send my blessings, and I'm praying that 2021 brings you guys abundance and brings you guys blessings as well. Obviously, some things are out of our control, but let's focus on what we can control. As Marcus Aurelius says, it is not outside events, but what does he say? Why do I always forget? It is, bruh, come on, Jaxx. Basically focus on what you can control, not outside events. That was a major failure. Anyways, guys, I'm excited. So I'm sure some of you are like, yo, Jaxx, why are you making this video? Why don't you just do it? Haven't you ever heard about staying quiet about your goals? Well, I'm not Superman, you know? Maybe I need some accountability. Maybe I need some inspiration and some motivation from you guys. And when I have one of those days where I just want to be lazy, where I don't want to do my 30-day challenge, whatever it is that month, I can come back to this video and remember that I need to stay accountable. And I also want to show you guys me going through my own transformations, going through my own self-growth journey, instead of me always just kind of talking about it and explaining different concepts and stuff like that. So that will be it for this one. Love you guys so much. Happy 2021. Sending my love and blessings. Let's crush this year. And if you're new, make sure to turn on that little notification bell if you want to see me going through some challenges. If you're into self-development, I will be making all kinds of different videos. And to my old subscribers, love you guys. Hit that like button, smash it, give it a big fat press. And if you're an old subscriber and you haven't turned the bell on, like, yo, what are you doing? Come on. I will see each and every one of you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.